Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. We have ice. We only ended up getting maybe 3 inches of snow. Let me show you, there's ice all here. We're going to walk over to the trees over here. You can see, gives you a better idea. So you can see the trees are covered with ice. There's the pine trees, the tops of them have snapped off. There you can see that up there. I'm hearing generators, so that tells me there's power outages, which does not surprise me. I'll show you the trees here. Oh, look at that one there. That one's bent over just a little bit, huh? Wow. Yeah, none of it surprises me. It started icing up. Now, right now, the temperatures, yeah, look at that tree. Right over the top of the wolf's lair there. Whew. That's not good. You hear that? Here's a tree came down over there somewhere. I don't even know. I had run the, even the flag, look at the flag. Look at that. That's just completely got a layer of ice on that. So, yeah, definitely an ice event. Walk up here, and you can hear me walking through this. That's why I didn't park down here, because I knew with ice there was no way I was getting up this hill. No way I was getting up that hill. So I'm not going anywhere today, folks. I am home for the duration, but man, it's wild. But you guys just heard it with me. A tree came down over there. We're gonna walk down here real quick. But yeah, look at that. Ice on everything. That is wild. That is wild. But you can see the ice all over the trees. I just kind of want to look and see if anything came down over here. Yeah, they're hanging. They're definitely hanging. So there's the blue house. For those of you, that's where Steve stays. But man, pretty wild. So yeah, I already called work. I was like, yeah, just so you know. And they knew. I mean, they look at all the ice on these, just even this pile of stuff here. I mean, what are we looking at here? That's dangerous ice right there, folks. That's trees down everywhere. That's going to mean, obviously, power outages. And, yeah, it's going to be this afternoon, they're saying that we're supposed to get some more snow this afternoon. Maybe another 3 inches, I think, is what they're calling for. Now, it's not raining at the moment, so, but yeah, that's craziness. Well, you can see the ice on everything. You can see the trees, look how they're leaning. But yeah, that tree right there don't look good over the top of the wolf's lair. Obviously you can see it's kind of foggy as well. But yeah, this is I'm not sure if I want to take a walk up there or not, to be honest with you. Walking back down might be a little tricky. So, but while we were here talking, you could hear that crash in the woods. So that was definitely a tree coming down, or branch breaking off, or something. So, but yeah, quite the storm. So we didn't get as much snow as they had predicted, obviously. But we did get the ice that they predicted. They had said, let me just kind of walk over here to this tree so you can kind of see it even better. You can see that, the ice on the cages. So definitely unpleasant day to wake up to. Temperature wise it's not bad, so but I hope that one does not snap. We will see. Keep an eye on things, obviously. So that's what we're dealing with here, folks. Lots of ice. We're gonna hunker down and have a very chill day. Puppies are doing good, and obviously Miss Hella's out here with me. You hear that? Something in the woods over there just cracked. So, very, very interesting. And in the fog, you can do, just since we've been out here, the fog is really setting in. I know you just heard that one too. So, indeed, an interesting day. Like I said, we're gonna have a very low-key day here today at the homestead. So I may live stream tonight, I'm not sure yet. I did not yesterday. But we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.